my name's Shad and this is Marketing Explained, where we go through marketing concepts and acronyms and explain them in super simple terms. Today we're going through A to B testing.
Get my cash right, cause I spent it all last night, said I'm good to go.
So A to B testing is actually a very simple concept. It's basically where you take two variants of something, which we'll go through in a second, and you change single variables in those variants and test them. That's it. The reason you're doing this is to always iterate and improve whatever you're sending out through your marketing campaigns or whatever it may be. This is a very useful technique to test specific ideas and concepts, and also to stop preventively a lot of arguments within your team. It's the ultimate settler, and what we say within our team is just test it. So what can you A to B test and how can you go about it? You can A to B test basically everything. For example, you can A to B test your Facebook ads. The way you might do that is by testing both copy, images, headlines, buttons, whatever it may be. Everything can be tested, and likely everything will have different types of conversion rate increases and decreases. You can also test things such as emails. You can test just how well people are clicking through on the links of your emails, or how well people are responding to your landing pages. For example, on a landing page, you might have a call to action, which we'll go through in different videos. You can check it out on our channel. And so the specific button, which is the call to action, you might want to change the color or the copy, the writing on the button itself. These might lead to different results, and you never know until you test it. So how can you actually go about carrying out A to B testing in the fastest and simple way? Well, there's tools for that, of course. One of the tools which you may be interested in is Google's free tool, Optimizely. You can use Optimizely to rapidly A to B test different types of traffic based on different conditions. Moreover, there's tools, paid tools such as Unbounce, or you can make your own using Webflow or Tilde, whatever it may be, to rapidly create different landing pages and run the tests. Moreover, a lot of your marketing automation software will also have inbuilt A to B tests, whether you're using HubSpot or MailChimp or Facebook ads. They all have these options that you can run the A to B tests either using their software, or you can just do it yourself. A really important thing to note about A to B testing is that it really depends on the audience. Of course, with any objective study where you're trying to find the truth, the sample size always has to be pretty much the same, with the same type of people coming through it. That means the same geography, demographic, language, income levels, and so on. You want to try and keep it as consistent as possible to have the most valid results. Of course, if you test two different landing pages, one you're testing in Switzerland, one you're testing in California, with two different messages, you're never going to find out the objective truth of what's really working. This is also useful actually when diagnosing how to target specific geographies and demographics, because you can A to B test dependent on your target audience's personas. You can A to B test and create specific funnels just on what you think they're going to like. That means using specific words or using specific imagery that appeals to them the most. As you get more and more into A to B testing, you'll iterate further and further and really zero in on what works the best for the right audience at the right stage, and how you can utilize that throughout your marketing funnel all the way down to the bottom, even when you're trying to get referrals. Ultimately, A to B testing is a secret weapon of any marketer, and always is going to lead to a more objective truth and the highest possible conversion rates throughout the funnel if you're doing it properly. My name is Shad, and this was Marketing Explained, where we went over a little bit of how A to B testing works. It's a very stupid, simple concept, and many of the tools have it built in, so for sure you should be doing it, even if you're only spending a small amount of money on your marketing efforts. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and check out our other Marketing Explained videos where we go through marketing concepts and keep it super simple. Thanks, I hope you learned something, and have a beautiful day.